Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important tools for any angler, the fishing knife. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or just starting out, having the right knife can make all the difference in your fishing experience. There are a lot of different fishing knives on the market, each with their own unique features and benefits. Some are designed for filleting, while others are better suited for scaling, gutting, or general use. With so many options out there, it can be difficult to know which knife is the best for your needs. That's why in this video, I'll be sharing my top picks for the best fishing knives available today. I've spent countless hours researching and testing different knives, and I'm confident that the ones I'm going to show you today will be perfect for any fishing situation. Number 1. KASTKING Fillet and Bait Knife. KASTKING are never too far away when it comes to reviews on quality fishing tools and gear, and their bait and fillet blades are some of the best fishing knives for use in the field. The 5 inches versatile fixed blade outdoor knife is stiff and strong. It has a serrated top edge that makes cutting frozen bait or wood quick and easy. The 5-inch bait knife is super strong, made from highly durable German stainless steel, with a razor sharp edge on the bottom, a serrated edge on the top, and a gut hook that can cut rope and fishing line. With a comfortable, reliable grip, you're able to handle frozen bait with ease. You can also cut chunk or cut plug bait with the leading edge with no problem, and the gut hook provides an extra function to help with cutting line. Designed for maximum cutting performance, this knife is suited for slicing everything from meats, to cakes, to sandwiches. It's the perfect all-rounder for your next fishing trip. Number 2. Gerber Controller Saltwater Fish Fillet Knife. Founded in 1939, Portland-based Gerber aren't quite as old as Victorinox, but they're just as revered for their quality outdoor tools and gear. This fixed-blade fishing knife is 8 inches long, and has been optimized to withstand saltwater environments for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. Fish knife optimized to withstand harsh saltwater with added corrosion-resistant protection. Fishing knife has full tang 8 inches steel blade designed for toughness and corrosion resistance. Hydro tread grip is applied strategically in raised sections on the handle for traction. Gerber knife has molded plastic sheath designed with generous venting and doesn't get waterlogged. Built-in sharpener allows for blade touch-ups wherever you are and is easily mounted. The full tang blade is well balanced, with the steel specially selected for its toughness, backed with an ergonomic handle with hydro tread high friction grip for traction and control. Expertly designed, the knife features a thinner blade for surgeon-like precision, and is an all-round great fishing knife to add to your tackle box. Number 3. Black Camping Pocket Knife. We'll take things in a different direction now, back to the great outdoors, with this multifunction folding knife that was hard to overlook considering the sheer amount of top reviews. The blade length is a little under 8 inches when folded out, and it's made from black-coated 440 carbon steel for durability and corrosion resistance. The simple, but reliable liner lock repels dirt and prevents unexpected closure, while the razor-sharp blade is designed to last as long as possible without the need to sharpen. Excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance ensures proper operation without sharpening. Provides razor-sharp cutting performance and high durability. The blade features a dual-sided thumb stud suitable for multiple activities and survival situations. This is another quality option that would make a great gift for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Number 4. MORAKNIV Companion Fixed Blade Knife. Speaking of outstanding reviews, just take a look at this knife from MORAKNIV. It would have been a sin not to include it in this article, given just how awesome and popular it is. Versatile fixed blade outdoor knife with a 4.1-inch hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade is ideal for carving, food prep, and cutting tinder. High-quality Swedish steel is razor sharp and exceptionally tough. Stainless steel blade stays sharp longer than carbon steel, and is less prone to rust. Patterned, high-friction grip sits comfortably in the hand, for greater control, safety, and performance, especially in wet and cold conditions. Made with super high-quality Swedish stainless steel, this is one of the most versatile knives on the market, and can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Just over 4 inches in length, it's a great tool to have handy in your tackle box, with a patterned, high-friction grip that offers control and performance in all conditions. The tang is deceptively long for such a knife, ensuring that you have a durable, reliable blade offering power and precision, no matter the task. Number 5. WÜSTHOF Classic Fillet Knife. Let's take a step away from the boat and into the kitchen now, with this beast of a blade courtesy of one of the finest knife manufacturers in the world. The WÜSTHOF Classic range is up there with the best money can buy when it comes to kitchen knives, and this super thin, 7-inch fillet blade is no exception. 12 inches hollow edge salmon slicer is a long slender blade with a rounded tip. The blade is longer than many other knives so that it can slice across large roasts in one swift movement. Fish knife, 7 inches fillet knife has a very thin flexible blade used for deboning and filleting fish. The long narrow blade enables the knife to move smoothly along the backbone of the fish and easily removes the fish skin. WÜSTHOF cutlery is crafted to resist corrosion and dulling. This German-made kitchen knife set comes with a limited lifetime warranty. WÜSTHOF Classic Series knives feature a full bolster and finger guard. With a full tang, triple riveted design and handles that resist discoloring, heat, and stress, this chef favorite is built to last. Just try not to worry about the price, this is some seriously high-end quality right here, and you'll never need another fillet knife in the home.